Alright people, so today we're making a nice bread pudding. So here we have the ingredient. You have your butter, your cinnamon stick, your coconut, your nutmeg, your stale bread, flour, and your sugar. So we have one coconut, and grate the coconut, forget the coconut milk. Now this you can make with the regular milk if you want, normal cow milk. You choose to make it with coconut milk. You could use cow milk if you want, no problem at all. Here we have the milk. So again we have the ingredients then. So what you want to know is just put a little bit of water in the pan, and you going broke up the bread in the pan. Yeah, just like that. Now you add the coconut milk. Again, you could use regular milk if you want. We're just going to stir it good for the bread broke up good, you know. Now you add your flour. Oh, this is not tablespoon. This is not teaspoon. This must be a bed spoon. I don't know, just a big spoon. You add your flour. The amount of flour we add. See how much it is. Next thing we add is we add butter. This butter we melt the butter. We melt the butter and then we add it in there. Yeah, just like that, see? Yeah, stir that up good. Everything blend together. Yeah. Now you add your cinnamon stick. Remember we beat the cinnamon stick and we get the powder, so we add cinnamon sticky powder. All of this is to taste. Add how much you need, how much you want. Now we add the nutmeg. See the difference? See, nutmeg, exactly. And you add some vanilla. No more, just a little tapaful. Again, to taste. This one is optional if you want to add that or not. Then you add your sugar. Add your sugar, you taste it to where you like it. Don't put it too sweet. Stir it up good. So it should look something like this. Now what we can do here, you could the pan that you bake it in, you could grease it up, or in this case we just melt a butter. A piece of butter, we melt that and then add the mixture right into that. Yeah, now this we can put for bake. Yep. Alright, so see it there. Okay, so this thing ready, this done bake. Was in there for nearly 2 hours baking. Okay, so let's cut it and see how we look then. Let's cut it. That's how Chef Chaka would say. Delicious. Now tell me say you reach to the end of the video and not subscribe yet. Subscribe no man.